Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly succeed in business? The secret often lies in a simple yet powerful concept: networking. Networking is the art of building and nurturing professional relationships. It's like weaving a web of connections that can support your career progression and business growth. Imagine each interaction as a thread, and each thread can lead you to a myriad of opportunities. These might be a partnership, a client referral, an insider tip, or even a mentorship. The more threads you have, the more robust your network becomes, and the more opportunities you can tap into. Networking is not just about exchanging business cards at a corporate event. It's about forming genuine connections, understanding the needs and strengths of others, and discovering how you can help each other succeed. In the world of business, it's not always what you know, but who you know. Mastering the art of networking requires more than just attending events and handing out business cards. Indeed, the essence of networking lies far beyond those superficial interactions. We're talking about a dance of communication, a symphony of connections, all playing their part in the art of networking. Firstly, consider the power of active listening. This isn't just about hearing what others are saying, but truly understanding their message, their needs, their values. It's about showing genuine interest and establishing a connection on a deeper level. Next, we delve into the realm of insightful questioning. This is your tool for uncovering opportunities, for building bridges, for establishing lasting connections. Ask questions that provoke thought, that reveal shared interests, or that expose areas where you can offer assistance. It's not just about what you can gain, but also about what you can give. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the art of the follow-up. This is where many fall short. You've had the interaction, you've exchanged information, but without the follow-up, it's like a promising story left unfinished. A simple email or phone call can make all the difference, keeping the connection alive and showing your new contact that you value their relationship. And let's not forget, at the heart of it all is the importance of genuine relationships. This isn't a game of how many business cards you can collect. It's about meaningful connections, mutual growth, and shared success. Remember, networking is about building relationships, not just collecting contacts. So, how do you effectively network in a way that benefits your business? Well, let's dive into some practical strategies. First up is leveraging social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook are not just for sharing your daily adventures, but they're also teeming with professionals across various industries. Engage with content, share your expertise, and remember, it's a two-way street. Give and take. Next, consider attending industry events. Whether it's a small local meetup or a grand international conference, these gatherings can be goldmines for connections. Don't just be a wallflower, though. Approach people, initiate conversations, and remember, it's not always about what you can gain, but also about what you can offer. Joining professional associations is another great strategy. These organizations often host events, workshops, and forums that not only allow you to meet like-minded individuals, but also to stay updated on industry trends and developments. Now let's talk about making a good first impression. People often form an opinion within the first few seconds of meeting you. So, dress appropriately, maintain eye contact, and most importantly, be genuine. Lastly, have a clear value proposition. Know what you bring to the table and be able to articulate it succinctly. This can be your unique skills, experiences, or even your perspective. With the right strategies, networking can become a powerful tool in your business arsenal. In the past few minutes, we've uncovered the power of networking and how it can propel your business forward. We've delved into the intricate world of interconnectedness, revealing how the act of connecting with others, when done right, can become a formidable tool in your business arsenal. We started by understanding the sheer importance of networking, how it can build bridges, open doors, and paint pathways to success that you never knew existed. Next, we immersed ourselves in the art of networking, where finesse meets strategy. We discovered that it's not just about who you know, but how you engage, how you nurture these relationships, and how you bring value to the table. Finally, we discussed practical networking strategies. We learned that being genuine, showing interest in others, and maintaining a long-term perspective can make all the difference. So next time you find yourself in a room full of people, remember, each person is a potential door to a new opportunity.